The absolute difference between the self-made wealthy and the permanently broke is not hard work or long hours. The real secret lies in how they spend their very first hour of the day. While 99% of ordinary people wake up, grab their smartphones, and instantly drown their brains in cheap social media dopamine, the world's top millionaires are already winning the mental battle. Your morning routine dictates your financial destiny. If you fail to conquer your morning, you will inevitably fail to conquer your life. True wealth is not a product of luck. It is a direct consequence of daily unseen discipline. Welcome back to Drive to Success, your ultimate guide to freedom and growth. Rule number 1, the law of immediate execution. Millionaires never hit the snooze button. When the alarm sounds, they move instantly, shattering the comfort trap of modern laziness. By conquering the bed, they build instant momentum for the rest of the day. Rule number 2, financial education first. Before the world starts making noise, the wealthy spend 30 minutes feeding their minds. They don't read negative news or gossip. Instead, they read books on economics, investing, and human psychology. They understand that their brain is their greatest financial asset, and they upgrade it daily. Rule number 3, silent planning and high-value execution. Before the masses wake up, the rich plan their daily battles in absolute silence. They don't waste time on low-value tasks that just lay floors. They focus entirely on building systems that create generational wealth. They trade short-term convenience for long-term power. Building a millionaire morning routine is not about doing everything perfectly from day one. It is about winning small, daily victories against your own laziness. When you control your morning, you send a powerful message to your brain that you are the master of your destiny, not a slave to circumstances. Look around you. The world is full of people who are exhausted, distracted, and broke, simply because they refuse to change their habits. Do not be one of them. Wake up with a clear purpose, invest in your financial education, and build a lifestyle that supports your highest ambition. Your future self is depending on the choices you make during the first hour of today. Rise up, take execution, and never look back. If you are ready to break the matrix of poverty and master your destiny, smash that subscribe button right now. See you in the next breakdown.